In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Auto Reframe in CapCut PC. So start by adding your video onto your timeline. Then next is select your video clip, then go to Video Basic, and here scroll down until you see Auto Reframe, and of course enable it. Now select the aspect ratio depending on which platform you would like to upload your video. So for YouTube, you can opt for 16:9 ratio, and for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you can opt for 9:16. Also set the image stabilization to flexible for a smoother result, so make sure that you set it to flexible, and also try to match the camera movement speed as much as you can. So here you have three options. You can opt for fast if your video is fast, and slow, of course, for slower videos. And for regular speed, you can opt for the default setting. And to save your changes, click on the apply button. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one.